Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about KLA CORP quarterly report. KLA Corporation offers a wide range of businesses and services across three segments: semiconductor process control, specialty semiconductor process, and PCB and component inspection. The company's products include inspection and review tools for wafer defects metrology systems for measuring wafer properties, chemical process control equipment wired, and wireless sensor wafers and reticles, wafer defect inspection, review, and metrology systems, reticle inspection and metrology systems, semiconductor software solutions for yield improvement and risk reduction. In addition to these products, KLA Corporation also provides etch plasma dicing, deposition and other wafer processing technologies, direct imaging, inspection, optical shaping, inkjet and additive printing, and computer-aided manufacturing and engineering solutions for the PCB market, inspection and metrology systems for quality control and yield improvement in advanced and traditional semiconductor packaging markets. The KLA Corporation, KLAC, stock price has skyrocketed by 83.97% in the past year due to a combination of factors. The company's robust financial performance, led by strong earnings and revenue growth, has been a significant contributor. KLA consistently exceeded analyst expectations, with impressive revenue growth of 23.89% over the last 12 months. Additionally, the company's commitment to returning value to shareholders through increased dividends and share repurchases has boosted investor confidence. The booming demand for semiconductor manufacturing solutions, driven by substantial investments in artificial intelligence, AI, infrastructure, has also played a crucial role. KLA's expertise in advanced packaging is particularly promising, with expectations for its wafer fabrication equipment growth to outpace front-end equipment in 2026. Furthermore, numerous positive analyst upgrades and price target increases have reflected increased confidence in KLA's future performance. These factors collectively have driven the significant increase in KLA's stock price, making it an attractive investment opportunity for investors seeking to capitalize on the growing demand for semiconductor manufacturing solutions. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth is primarily driven by the increase in product revenue, which grew by $267.6 million, 12.2%, from 2024 to 2025. Additionally, service revenue increased by $100.5 million, 15.6%, and China and Taiwan revenues saw significant growth of $68.8 million and $331.6 million respectively. The increase in contract assets also contributed to the revenue growth. On the other hand, revenue decline was mainly due to a 7% decrease in the specialty semiconductor process segment, resulting from lower product sales volume. North America also experienced a decline of -41%, attributed to lower shipments to foundry/logic customers. Other factors affecting revenue include ongoing changes in the technology industry, fluctuations in foreign currency exchange rates, and changes in customer capital spending patterns. Net income and profit margins experienced growth. The company's net income witnessed a significant surge from $945.9 million in 2024 to $1.12 billion in 2025, marking an impressive increase of plus 18.6% or $175,189,000. This substantial growth is also reflected in the improvement of net income margin, which rose from 33.3% in 2024 to 34.9% in 2025. The primary driver behind this upward trend lies in the substantial increase in total revenues. Specifically, product revenues saw a 12% boost, while service revenues experienced an even more significant jump of 16%. This surge can be attributed to increased investments by leading-edge foundries and heightened demand for DRAM. The company's financial performance indicates a significant improvement in its ability to generate cash from operations. The net cash provided by operating activities has increased from $995,238 in 2024 to $1,161,591 in 2025, demonstrating a substantial growth of $166,353. This increase suggests that the company is becoming more efficient in managing its resources and generating positive operating cash flow, which is a crucial indicator of financial health. The company's debt level or interest expenses have undergone a significant change. Specifically, interest expense has decreased by 13.5% from 2024 to 2025, as well as by 14% from KON F25 to KON F26. This consistent decline in interest expense suggests that the company is effectively managing its financial obligations and reducing its debt burden over time. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions. Notably, specialty process control, semiconductor process control, and PCB and component inspection were the top-performing segments with significant increases in revenue. In contrast, specialty semiconductor process experienced a decline. Geographically, Taiwan, Japan, China, and Europe/Israel saw substantial growth in revenue, while North America and rest of Asia suffered declines. Specifically, Taiwan recorded an impressive 72% revenue growth, followed by Japan's 57% increase. Management is optimistic about the company's outlook for fiscal year 2026, expecting significant revenue growth in Asia due to its strategic location for semiconductor manufacturing capacity. To support this growth, the company will continue to invest in technological innovation, particularly in high-performance computing and data centers fueled by AI adoption. Additionally, management plans to return cash to investors through share repurchases and dividends. The semiconductor industry is experiencing expansion and diversification driven by emerging trends, with key demand drivers including extreme ultraviolet lithography and growth in advanced semiconductor technologies. However, the company also faces risks from ongoing trade restrictions that could harm its business, particularly in China. The company's financial summary reveals that it has engaged in both dividend payments and share buybacks. Specifically, the company paid out a total of $254 million in dividends, with a regular quarterly cash dividend declared at $1.90 per share. Additionally, the company purchased 622,500 shares through its share buyback program, spending a total of $4.47 billion on these transactions. That concludes the financial summary for KLA CORP. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.